let's talk about question number 8. The carrier accepts 18 reservations for a particular flight with 15 seats. 13 reservations went to the regular customers who will arrive for the flight. Each of the remaining passengers will arrive for the flight with a 42% chance, independently of each other. Find the probability that overbooking happens and has empty seats. So, based on the question, we know 18 reservations, 13 reservations for the customers. So we have 18 minus 13 is 5 remaining reservations. And for the seats, 15 minus 13 to the regular customer, and 2. We have 2 remaining seats. So for overbooking, if we have more than 2 reservations, so the seats are not enough, that overbooking happens. And so that means the random variable, the reservation is if grade equals 3, or you could see x is grade than 2, then overbooking. And here, then x is 3, 4, 5. 5 reservations except remaining. And for the empty seat, so if the reservation less than 2, then we have the empty seats. So x less than 2, or we could say x is less than 2, or x less than equal 1. X equals 0, 1. So now we write down this n is 5. The probability for the remaining passengers show up is 0.42. So now let's calculate this overbooking. So you could see is P3 plus P4 plus P5. Or we could use is 1 minus P x less equal 2. And for the empty seats is P0 plus P1. That means the probability x is less equal 1. And so for the overbooking, we could use equals 1 minus binomial 2, and the n is 5, the probability 0.42, then we choose, because add together for x equal 1, 2, and 0. And for the empty seat is binomial 1, 5, 0.42, then we also choose. So when we have this less than equal, we need to add together from less equal to 0, 1. Here is 0, 1, 2. So we need to add it together. We have to choose. So we get 2 answers. We copy that, to the first one and copy the second one. Okay, we got the right answers.